Alright, what's up everybody? So this one is a video basically just to show basically like the amount of reconditioning that actually gets done in the car, so people can see that our dealership and our repair shop does quite a bit more than your average spot. So check it out. So you can just see these just large quantity of orders and just anything. I mean, you can see almost on a day-to-day, like, all right, today was $550, and then yesterday was $563, $82, $80. I mean, just in August, I'm looking at almost like $5,000 of parts ordered. You look at July, 5,000 or 6,000. Just all day, I'm just building carts. So these are, you know, keeping costs in line. I'm buying some wipers online. This would usually be like $10 or $14 at AutoZone. I gotta constantly do stuff. I mean, this the Kia Optima coming out of the oven here needs CV axles. I'm putting a stock order on these light bulbs. The Volkswagen, what a great repossession. They blew the engine, so I got another engine coming. I'm gonna put a fresh oil pan. I'm gonna put a fresh front and rear crankshaft seals, upper and lower timing covers. Might just refresh the timing chain tensioner while all this stuff is pulled apart as well. So you can see that the market we're in is really just insane right now, because even with all these parts going into the cars, and that Volkswagen Passat, I think I've put, I don't know, man, like I've had that car, it's been sold, then it was traded in on an upgrade, then it was sold, and then this guy Patrick, I don't know, he lost his ability to drive or something, and then Patrick gave it back in. Now you no longer had a car. It's been just like a nightmare listening to the economic stories happening right now. And then the last time it got sold, which was just a complete nightmare. I mean, not only are the dealerships like mine struggling with what's happening in the economy right now, but people buying cars and then they don't keep insurance on the car, and then all that money that they put in towards the car gets lost immediately when the insurance gets canceled, because the car is actually right here. Come check it out. This Passat is right here. So this is my messy shop. This Passat basically got stolen, what the customer said. Somehow the person that stole it was bumping into things. Nothing that we can, we're going to fix that quarter, fix that door. And somehow they happen to blow the engine at the same time. So it's pretty messy in there from the repo, but we're going to bring this Passat back, because all these cars that have brand new Bridgestone tires, have thousands of dollars in parts, can be saved with the Red Mechanic. 954-532-9699. Hope you thought my tour of more about car lots is cool.